There's the little bubba that's behind. They're in the shade. Here he comes. I think that's a little baby. Yeah, that's a baby. The baby's got green feathers on his back. A beautiful little Rosellas. He's asking Mum for seed, I think. There's a pigeon on the other side of the fence. A nice crested pigeon. He comes in every day for food. So all the other little birds all flying around everywhere. Whoop, there's a sparrow. We've got finches, sparrows, wrens, you name it, we got it. There's the sparrows are going onto the feed now. Might have to top that feed up. There's the Rosellas again. Well, Mum's coming into the light. Isn't she beautiful? Trying to get the baby to come out of the shade. Oh, it's got a leaf. Now all the finches are on the seed. Oh, here comes baby. Here comes baby. There he is. Isn't he beautiful? Oh, he's following Mum. Where'd Mum go? Mum's gone round the back. I could just sit and watch these little birds all day. They're just gorgeous. I do sit and watch them all day, actually. Rephrase that. I do. So there's sparrows. There's a little red-browed finch. You can see next to the Rosella. Lots of sparrows. There's their water. And Bear's doggy ball. He was playing ball over there. And lots of sparrows. I love how the Rosella is sitting next to the little red-brown finch. It's like we red dudes have got to stick together. We redheads. Go team redhead.